This time of year, even an ordinary highway can feel different. Today I'm traveling US Highway 319 from Thomasville to Tifton, stopping along the way to see how Christmas shows up across South Georgia. But this video will have a little bit of a twist. I will be blending my daytime experiences with the night. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. If you like the unique and unusual, then you came to the right place. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. This iconic Thomasville modern landmark is the headquarters of Senior Life Insurance. It is where our northeast drive on US Highway 319 will begin. I featured several of Thomasville's landmarks before: the Rose Garden, the Historic Museum, and more. This time, it's all about Christmas. Well, let's go check out a couple of more spots in Thomasville before we head on our way. I want to thank the owner at Hardin's Taxidermy for telling me about this next place. The locals call it the Christmas Vacation House. Here's Cousin Eddie with his RV. And someone called for help. Clark was trying to hang those Christmas lights. Unfortunately, that's Granny and not a Christmas present on top of the Wagon Queen family truckster. Just down from the Christmas Vacation home is another Thomasville favorite Christmas destination. So the Flowers is a local bread company here in Thomasville. So let's go check out the Flowers Christmas display. Flowers Christmas display, I get back on Highway 319. I pass through the town of Coolidge. I turn towards the downtown of Moultrie. It was here that I once visited Nancy, a life-sized marble statue of a baby elephant on a grave. During Christmas, its courthouse is draped with a canopy of lights. Let's continue on our Christmas adventure. We'll take one more look at that beautifully lit courthouse square before heading further northeast on 319. Entering Norman Park, Georgia, I visit one of two neighboring almost twin homes. And on the other side of 319 is its likeness. Next is Omega, and no, it's not the end of this road trip. Omega has these local business greetings lining 319. Let's press on. Let's go explore Tifton, Georgia. Located by the mural is a Georgia Bulldog. Go Dogs.
And a
we finish our Christmas adventure north of downtown. Well, I'm going to finish this US 319 Christmas adventure here at Fulwood Park. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Denovator. Merry Christmas to all of y'all.